Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Samsung Galaxy M33. And to do this you'll need to launch your Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Firefox. Select it. And here I already installed it, so let's just uninstall this app and install it again. When it's ready, launch the browser. Here you can customize it, so pick different theme, you can switch toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, you can also change any privacy settings, read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. From here you can start using the browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.